میں آپ کی معذرت قبول کرتا ہوں. I accept your apology. I accept your apology. ملاقات سے کیا ہوگا؟ What will happen by meeting? What will happen by meeting? خان نے مجھ پر جھوٹ بولنے کا الزام لگایا. خان accused me of lying. خان accused me of lying. اس نے شاندار نتائج حاصل کیے. She achieved remarkable results. She achieved remarkable results. اگر لڑکا ہوگا تو he achieved remarkable results. اس نے مدد حاصل کرنے کا اعتراف کیا. She acknowledged receiving assistance. She acknowledged receiving assistance. میں آپ کے اعتماد کی تعریف کرتا ہوں. I admire your confidence. I admire your confidence. وہ اپنے دادا سے پیار کرتا ہے. He adores his grandfather. He adores his grandfather. یہاں تیراکی کی اجازت نہیں ہے. Swimming is not allowed here. Swimming is not allowed here. آپ کو معافی مانگنے کی ضرورت نہیں ہے. You don't have to apologize. You don't have to apologize. میں تم سے بحث نہیں کرنا چاہتا. I don't want to argue with you. I don't want to argue with you. ہم دیر سے گھر پہنچے. We arrived home late. We arrived home late. میں اس کی لا علمی پر حیران تھا. I was astonished by his ignorance. I was astonished by his ignorance. وہ رات کو اسکول جاتی ہے. She attends school at night. She attends school at night. میں ہمیشہ آپ کا مشکور رہوں گا. I will always be grateful to you. I will always be grateful to you.